They call me the Chicken King around here. We got a patient that we got to look at today. He's got a little booger hanging out of his eyes, and we're going to pop that sucker out. Let's give it a look. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to slowly squeeze from the bottom of the eyeball, and you're going to push out. Got to squeeze a little harder, and and there you have it.
Okay.
Yeah, so definitely a funky smell was coming from that eyeball, and absolutely horrific smell. I almost puked. Yeah, so stay tuned for the next one.